And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixer Wars, and welcome to another episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is a P Bandai kit. It is the 1/144 HG, the Witch from Mercury Gundam Lfrith Anavata, or as some would pronounce it, Anakta. So not pretty quite sure on how it's pronounced, but as you can see in the box art, yes, it is a P Bandai with the monocolored box. We see the unit here, wielding two blades, so dual blade. Off to the side, we just see him, Anavata, Gundam Lfrith Anavata, same with here. And then here it is, front and back, and some more details. Now let's take a look and see what's inside the box. Inside, what we see is one bag with a multicolored sprue and a clear sprue for a stand and some stickers. Of course, same as how the different Lfriths have. The permanent score pattern is there in that sticker. We have a rather dark gray sprue and a all black sprue. We then have a dark blue one and a black one, and of course the instruction manual, which is colored, and it's not really that rare, or it's rather uncommon to see P Bandai kits with a colored instruction manual. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. So first off, we have the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. We see some clear blue here, some smoky black clear parts here, some light blue, and of course a dark orange, dark yellow. It also has a B1 sprue, which is all black. And I think some of the parts of this are, yes, came from the Lfrith. Yep. We also have a C, which is more or less the same blue as in the A sprue for the armor parts. We have a D sprue here, which is, I kind of think of it, it's kind of light grayish, off whitish scheme. Yeah, some more armor parts for the kit, and an E sprue, which is, I think, a new sprue, which has, the weapons and the backpack for Anavata. And of course it has a clear blue stand so that you can pose him and do some other cool posings with him. And of course we can't forget about the sticker sheet, where, yes, there is two modes. One mode where everything is off and everything here is illuminated because, of course, of the shell unit, as it is with all Lfriths. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the HG P Bandai, the Witch from Mercury Gundam Lfrith Anavata. So yes, this is the second kit released as a P Bandai under the Vandis Heart side story of From the Witch from Mercury. So the first kit is Gundam Lfrith Iju, which has a big hand weapon, while this guy boasts a shield and a dual blades. And this is Mixwar saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.